Okay, this is actually a little concerning. AI is getting better at crochet. We should all be concerned. Okay, this video isn't about scams. It is whether or not AI can actually design a plush. Because where AI is getting better at writing patterns than it is, kind of. The stitch definition of these images is making it really hard nowadays to tell whether or not it's AI or not. It used to be a lot easier. Okay, but first let's check out a pattern that I had Chat GPT make. So I was just curious on whether or not it could write a pattern, and the first thing it did was write a ball. So I asked it, can you make a duck? Like, what about a duck? And so it gave me this pattern, and I gave it what kind of hook and what kind of yarn I would be using, and it gave me the size, and it spit out this plushie pattern that wasn't a ball. And so it gives me out the materials, it gives me this whole list of everything. And as you can see here, there is a whole pattern. I mean, it has all the rows, the math adds up and everything. And I'm like, okay, all right. And so it even gives me the eye sizes and how far apart to put it and everything. It gives it wings. It gives it a beak. It gives it everything. There were a couple things that right off the bat, I'm like, that's a little small. I don't know how this is going to work. And I could already tell that there was going to be issues with this pattern, but I wanted to see whether or not it was going to work in the end. So I decided to give it a try. I got all of my materials out and I started crocheting. And then I asked it, based on your pattern, what do you think that this is going to look at? And you guys are not ready for this, okay? This is where I really am shook at this, okay? Because we've all seen these crochet patterns that are clearly AI, and one of the best ways to tell this is whether or not you can see the actual stitch definition. And so I'm going to show you an example here in a minute. Okay, and so this is what it spit out. And when I tell you my jaw hit the floor, I was like, first of all, I know this is not what it's going to look like. But those stitches, okay, I'm gonna upload a picture right here and we're gonna zoom in and check this out because it was absolutely insane. And those look like single crochets, do they not? They absolutely do. It looks a little too perfect to be a crochet pattern, but or to be real, but that absolutely, those look like single crochets. Like you can't get around it. I could tell what stitches those are. The beak was a little iffy, but for the most part, I was shook up. Now compare that to this leprechaun photo. So here coming up soon, I will have a pattern roundup for St. Patrick's Day, and I came across this pattern, and it absolutely blew my mind because I was like, "There's no way." This is obviously fake. This is obviously fake. You can zoom in and you can see that there is no stitch definition. Compare it to, like, I'll put them both on the screen right now. Compare it to the duck. It would actually be, okay, wait a minute. If I had to choose which one of these would be real, I would choose the duck. And so I was shocked, right? But then I started looking at the pattern reviews. And this is a real leprechaun. This is a real crocheted leprechaun. You can obviously tell. So I'm not sure. And this is a pattern review, and there's a lot of them that look like this. So I'm like, okay, obviously she just enhanced the photo with AI, but I don't understand why you would do that. People wanna know what it's actually gonna look like, and it just makes it seem like it's fake. I would never do that, but anyways, I just wanted to share just the obvious progression between where AI was and where it is now, because that absolutely blew my mind, and we gotta be careful with that. Absolutely be careful, because what you think, I mean, it's gonna be hard for me, you guys, with these pattern roundups. I mean, this leprechaun pattern is going to be in the pattern roundup because obviously it's real. But yeah, and I will go over these pictures again in that roundup because yeah, I just when people click on the listing, they're gonna be like, "Why'd you send me to a fake thing?" As far as I know, it's real. I'm not gonna pay for it to find out, but but yeah, so I would just obviously want to apologize in advance if I ever end up accidentally giving you guys an AI pattern because dang man, they're getting good. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to think about that, but I can show you what the duck turned out like. Okay, I don't think you guys are ready for this. You're so not ready for this. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to contain myself. Okay, so this is what it was supposed to look like. Drum roll. I followed the pattern exactly. Okay, this is so derpy. Actually, it kind of reminds me of that chicken from the old duck thing from Chicken Little with the extra head. Oh my god, look at this. Okay. This is what the AI pattern gave me, thinking it was going to look like this. I think we're good. Okay, I think we're good for now. Because if this is what it's spitting out, I mean, yeah, it was even I mean, yeah, it does not look great, but that's the pattern it gave me, and this was I don't even know what to do with this. My daughter loves it. She wants it. So at least it's gonna have a home. But I mean, okay, I'm like, maybe it looks better from back here. It looks kind of cute. Yeah, but no. Okay, look at this duck. Look at how big the forehead is. The pattern was ridiculous. Okay, and also, I don't know if I showed you guys, but it actually spit out that pattern, and because I asked it, I was like, "Can you put this pattern into, like, a digital picture for me?" I meant file, so I could just copy it, but it actually made it look like a legit pattern, so that is also really concerning, but it totally left out the wings, so there's that. AI is not perfect. It is here to stay, but, I think we're okay for now. So, every stitch was right, the design was just all messed up and completely flawed. AI is getting better at writing patterns and making the look of crochet, making pictures that look like crochet, but designing a plush still takes a human. So, AI is a tool, it is not a designer. And in a future video, we will go over how you can actually use AI as a tool for your crochet. So, I hope you had fun with this little video and this little duck. I mean, yeah, maybe experiment with it and see what it can do, what it can't, or just stay away from it because it's infiltrating everywhere. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And remember, above all else, Jesus loves you. Bye.